Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. Today we discuss the remaining topics of chemical formulae of simple compound. So last class we have discussed what is chemical formula and the examples also we have seen. And today's session we will discuss the remaining portion of chemical formulae. Here we see some formulae of simple compounds. Okay, so first of all we will discuss the compound aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide. Here we discuss the compound aluminium oxide. So in the case of aluminium oxide we have aluminium atom and oxygen atom. Okay, so symbol. So in case of symbol we write aluminium Al, oxygen O. Clear? Aluminium Al, oxygen O. And in the case of charge we write. So just below aluminium we write the charge of aluminium and charge of oxygen. So here charge of aluminium is 3 plus, charge of oxygen is 2 minus. Charge of aluminium 3 plus, oxygen 2 minus. Then just we cross this and you get the formula. You will get the formula Al2O3. So that is a chemical formula of aluminium oxide. So here charge of aluminium 3 plus, oxygen charge 2 plus. But we don't write the plus and minus charge along with the formula. We never write charges along with the chemical formula. That is a chemical formula of aluminium oxide. Clear? So when you write this formula, we have to cross the charges or balances. That should be kept in your mind. Clear? And we can see the next compound. And our next compound is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. So calcium oxide has calcium and oxygen. Symbol calcium. Symbol of calcium is Ca. Symbol of oxygen is O. Then we write the charge. So here it is symbol. Charge. Calcium 2 plus. Charge of calcium 2 plus. Oxygen 2 minus. Charge of oxygen is 2 minus. Then you cross it, you get Ca2O2. But actually, we use the formula of calcium oxide is CaO. Here, both the calcium and oxygen have same valence, that means 2. So we can simplify. By dividing by 2, you get the formula CaO. So formula of calcium oxide is CaO. Formula of calcium oxide is CaO. Okay. So here we simplify the formula by 2. Then you get CaO. I think it's clear for you. Okay. The next compound is sodium nitrate. Okay. Sodium nitrate. So symbol, when you write the symbol, sodium is Na, nitrate NO3. Okay. Then charge. Clear? I think it's clear for you. Charge plus 1, that means 1 plus minus 1, and for nitrate is minus 1. So sodium Na plus 1, NO3 minus 1. Then you just cross it. Then you get the formula. Then you cross it, you get the formula Na, NO3. This is the formula of sodium nitrate, NaNO3. And we never write 1. So NaNO3 is enough for sodium nitrate. I think it's clear for you. Clear? Okay. The next compound is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. So we will discuss the compound calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. So calcium hydroxide, symbol of calcium is Ca, hydroxide OH. Symbol of hydroxide OH. Already we discussed the charge of Ca is 2 plus, charge of OH is 1 minus. So you just cross it, Ca OH. You just cross it, then you will get the formula CaOH. Then this 2, then you have to put a bracket, and outside the bracket you have to write this 2, because in the case of this OH is hydroxide, OH is hydroxide, and we have studied that. For writing the formula of a compound, in that rule you have studied that in the case of polyatomic ions, if there are more than one number of polyatomic ions, because here OH is present in 2 OH are there, so you have to put a bracket, and outside the bracket you have to write the number. If the number of polyatomic ion is more than 1, you have to use the bracket, and outside the bracket you have to write the number. In the case of only 1, then no need of any brackets. In the case of NaOH, in the case of sodium hydroxide, NaOH is sodium hydroxide. Here we use only OH, there is no bracket and all, because only one OH is there. I think it's clear for you. Okay, these are the main compounds we discussed. Okay, these are the main compounds. That means today we will discuss calcium hydroxide, sodium nitrate, then calcium oxide, then aluminium oxide. These are the main compounds. And we have two more compounds. Sodium carbonate. The next compound is sodium carbonate. For writing this sodium carbonate, the symbol of sodium is Na, carbonate CO3. Symbol of carbonate is CO3, symbol of sodium is Na. And we have already studied charge of sodium is Na plus, and carbonate 2 minus, sodium Na1 plus. So then you just cross it. Okay, then you just cross it. Then you will get formula Na2 CO3. Actually, this CO3 is a polyatomic ion, but only one number is there. So CO3 enough. There is no need of any bracket. So the formula is Na2CO3. I think it's clear for you. Sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Clear? Okay? Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Then the next compound. The next compound is the last example given in your textbook. Last example given in your textbook. Yes. So the last example is ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate. So here symbol of ammonium NH4. Symbol of ammonium NH4. Symbol of sulfate SO4. Symbol of ammonium SO4. Symbol of sulfate SO4. Symbol of ammonium NH4. Okay. Then charge. Ammonium charge 1 plus. Sulfate charge 2 minus. Ammonium charge 1 plus. Sulfate charge 2 minus. Then you have to cross it. Then you will get the formula. Okay, that is formula is NH4 twice SO4. NH4 twice SO4. Because this is a polyatomic ion. Ammonium is a polyatomic ion. And the number is 2 here. So you have to put a bracket and write the number. NH4 twice SO4. And SO4 is only in one number. So no need of. And SO4 is also a polyatomic ion, but it is only in one number. Okay. So the formula is NH4 twice SO4. So today we have discussed the formula of some compounds. Okay, I think it's clear for you. That is all about today's session. Thank you.